Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable check for Apple Pay in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page we then scroll down, and then in here tap on Safari. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then tap on Advanced. After that, tap on Check for Apple Pay. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the check for Apple Pay. Now set here, allow website to check if Apple Pay is enabled and if you have an Apple Card account. And that's it. After you have made your selection, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.